In this video, I'll be guiding you to download Grand Theft Auto 5 on any PC or laptop. Now what you want to do first is go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type out Rockstar Games. Now what you want to do is make sure to find the official website for Rockstar Games, then make sure to click on the first link you see that says Rockstar Games. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go and click on search, then enter the search bar and type out GTA 5. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you've located the game, and once you've done so, go ahead and click on. Now what you want to do is simply click on buy now, then you want to scroll down and simply select the platform in which you want to download the game for. So for this video we're going to go with PC, so go and select platform, then select PC, and then all you want to do now is simply go to the left side of your screen and click on buy now. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.